So I signed up for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021, the kit build competition. And as I announced in my previous video, I'm going to use this body as part of my kit. This body is made from these floorboards, and these floorboards are from this house built in 1808. So this wood is very, very old. But why is old a good thing? First of all, it's super cool and unique. In 1808, Beethoven was 38 years old. Mozart would have been 52 years old, my age, hadn't he died in 1791. Brahms, Wagner, Debussy, Chopin, Tchaikovsky, none of them were born. And also, think about it, for centuries this wood has been tread upon, looked down upon by generations of people passing through the house. It's probably traumatized after 200 years of just laying there. I know I would be. And now it's finally getting to realize its full potential, and I'm getting to give this wood a voice, and that's amazing. And if you as a guitar player think that your instrument is amazing, unique and special, I would argue you play better because you want to practice more. You're attracted to the instrument, and when you practice more, you get better. All right, calm down. Don't you have a more objective or scientific reason why old should be better? Well, yes, Novo guitars put me on this track because their bodies are made from tempered pine, and tempered means heat treated, essentially baked in a special way to make it more resonant and stable. And really that's a way to mimic what happens when wood ages. The website temperedtonewoods.com explains it this way. What is left after the wood has been dried to acceptable 8 to 12% humidity are resins and various cellulose and hemicellulose compounds that take many years to at least crystallize. This stuff fills every cell in the wood. And it further says, the stuff is also a natural damping material. So it's as if you put a pillow inside a kick drum. That would obviously dampen it. And if you remove the pillow again, the kick drum would be more resonant. Yeah, of course they would say that. They sell tone wood. Funny, I had the same thought. So I researched it a little further, and I found a study conducted in 2012 and published in the Journal of Cultural Heritage. The study was on effects of aging on the vibrational properties of wood. And it said, vibrational properties of aged wood from 121 to 296 years old were compared with those of recently cut new wood 8 years old. The aged wood showed higher sound velocity and lower mechanical loss tangent than the new wood. And it goes on to say, these results coincide with musicians' empirical observations that the acoustic quality of wooden soundboards is improved by aging. So old wood is not just cool, it's apparently also more resonant. So that's why I want to use old wood. But how did I make this guitar body? I made this template. This is based on a picture of a NOVO Series J model. I know it has the right size because in the picture there's a P90 pickup and the size of that pickup is known. So the rest is simple math. I want to show you how I made this body, but I would have to go back in time and tell myself to film it. Hvad sker der? Hvem er du? Hi, det er mig. Eller dig. Hi, maybe we should speak English so more people can understand. Oh yeah, good idea. I said shock and who are you? And you said, hi, it's me and I'm you. Which is an odd thing to say. Yeah, I know, but I am you. But from the future. From the future? Kind of makes sense. You look so old. What? It's only 10 months in the future. You look just as old. I don't think so. But how did you get here? And why are you here? You know, how I got here, there's a YouTube tutorial and there's an app. It's a long story, don't even ask. But I came here to ask you to show the people how you made the second body out of the old wood. Yeah, all right, I'll do that. But how are you going to get back? Did the tutorial say anything about that? No, I don't think so. You know, I have to think, okay? But you just make sure you film everything, okay? So we can show the people how we did it. Yeah, of course, no problem. I'll do that. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, bye. Oh, he's gone. All right, so let's just get on with it. Hey, sorry to interrupt. I'm on my way back to 2021. I just want to thank our sponsors for supporting this video. 1.21 gigawatts, the #1 time traveling app in Denmark. Do you need to go back in time to tell yourself something important?
When building a guitar,
then this app is for you. Act now and you will get the first 2 time travels for free. 1.21 gigawatts, time travel made easy. And now back to the video. I had to go back to get it planed again, just to get some of the rough spots on the back out, and also some spots here in the wood on the front side. So now it's a little thin. It's 39 millimeters. So this is the rooting bit that allows me to round the corners. It's not that hard to do, but it makes a big difference. So I'm back, and you just saw how I made this body 10 months ago. So what's next? Well, I have to show you something. I bought this neck. This neck is from the website Guitar Anatomy, and it was pretty cheap compared to the other websites, 129 pounds. So is it any good? I will definitely let you know in the coming videos. The next thing now is to make this neck pocket, to root it out and fit it in the guitar. So if you want to see that, stay tuned, hit the like button, consider subscribing and hit the little bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.